Alright, so here we are on my LightX homepage. First things first, let's go to the editor tools and click on See All under Video Editing Tools. As you can see, there are a bunch of video editing tools. Feel free to give those a try, but for now, in this tutorial, we're going to focus on how to add music to a video. Select this tool and you will find yourself redirected to a page. You can easily find the link to this tool in the description box below. Here, you can see the option of upload a video where you can easily upload the video from your device, or you can simply select, drag and drop. LightX also provides sample videos that you can try. I will upload a video from my device. Let's choose this video and click. Our video has been uploaded. You can see the music section has been selected by default. You can choose from the LightX stock, which gives you so many options of amazing tracks, or you can also upload your desired audio in case you have anything specific in your mind. By scrolling down a little, you can also choose music by genre, like if you're looking for pop or music with beats, you can choose this pop and beat option, which gives you so many tracks in this genre. Similarly, you can choose jazz, happy, classic, smooth, or according to any occasion. Be it holidays, festivals, or special occasions, you can find all kinds of music in the LightX stock. Moreover, you don't need to worry about the copyright of this music, as you can use these music files without any copyright issues. Isn't that great? I'm choosing a track from this section. I can play and decide which one sounds good according to my video. Let's choose this one, clicking the plus icon, and done. You don't need to click multiple links or sign up at multiple websites to convert your video. This is absolutely free to use tool that requires zero professional skills to convert videos. Super easy and quick. You can adjust the volume by sliding the volume button given here. And now let's play this track. You can also customize the audio of the original file. Click on the video on the left top. You'll find the volume button as well as some other options. You can click on this I button to preview your video. Lastly, resize your file if your project as per your requirements. I'm fine with this size. Finally, name your file at the top and click on the Save button. As soon as this button turns green, your file edits are saved. Click on the Export button and choose your resolution and quality. Click Export Video and your video will be saved to your device. That's it. Super easy and quick.